former Greene Valley Developmental Center worker learned today she can never work with vulnerable people again.
And that's one of the terms Alysia Prater agreed to as part of a plea deal today. Our community watchdog investigation into the handling of past abuse cases at Greene Valley prompted her arrest. Nate Morabito was there as a judge spared her time in jail.
It was an emotional moment. Since she has no prior record, the 22-year-old won't spend any time in jail as long as she meets the terms of her probation for the next 2 years. But she will spend the rest of her life on the abuse registry. Originally charged with abuse of a dependent adult, today Prater pleaded guilty to an amended felony charge of attempted aggravated assault. In the moments before her guilty plea, Alysia Prater wiped away tears, surrounded by her family. When it was time to go before this judge, she broke down.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, sir.
Those words came more than 2 years after she denied abusing a woman at Greene Valley Developmental Center. Prater resigned after investigators determined the former developmental technician used harsh language and then hit a middle-aged woman in the face with this shoe in late 2014, a woman who couldn't speak and suffered from bipolar disorder.
I believe there was an assault that occurred.
The state referred the case to police, but the criminal investigation never resulted in charges until we started asking questions last January.
It appears that there could very well be criminal actions that took place.
A grand jury indicted Prater in March, and she first appeared in court 2 months later.
She's a very good, hardworking young lady, and I hope we can get this resolved.
A good 8 months later, Prater and her attorney did just that.
I find you guilty of the amended charge of attempted aggravated assault.
She took responsibility for attempting to cause extreme physical pain to that woman, and in return agreed to be placed on the abuse registry for life.
You can't ever go off and get this expunged and then later think you're going to start working in a nursing home or facility. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
After court, her mother told us Prater is innocent and that her daughter would have never found herself in this situation had the state properly investigated the case from the start. As Prater left court, she didn't say a word. Alysia, I'm Nate from Channel 11. Your mom told me you're innocent. Is there anything you want to say? Nate Morabito, News Channel 11, in your corner.
In a statement, the Department of Intellectual and Developmental Disabilities said about today's guilty plea. Quote, "We are happy to see this case come to a resolution that allows for Ms. Prater to be held accountable for her actions. In addition, through lifetime placement on the abuse registry, she is prevented from ever again working with a vulnerable population, including people with disabilities, the elderly, and children."